You certainly do not need a huge kitchen to have a baking station. All you need is adequate space to store your cookie cutters, baking tools, and mixes. I partnered with our friends over at iDesign to share how you can create your own baking station, especially with the holidays on our heels. Shout out to one of my viewers for giving me the idea for getting this cart to store my baking needs. Thank you so much, and I am grateful. Here's a quick reminder of my old baking cart in case my new subscribers didn't see the old one. However, I had to part with it because of the closet maze system we installed, so I had to get something a little more compact. I'm using this cart that I got from Michael's for only $29. It's the perfect cart for almost anything. It's sturdy and expensive, and it has wheels where I can move it around, and it comes in more colors. I noticed that they sold a cart topper that serves as additional workspace. It fits perfectly on top of the basket. However, this is sold separately, but it only set me back $11.88. Organizing made easy using the iDesign and the Home Edit modular all-purpose bin. It's perfect for storing virtually anything. And I'm using their tall organizer to store my cupcake liners, and I placed another one inside. The medium organizer is used for storing my sprinkles. I'm using baseball card holders to store my birthday candles. Again, it's easy to see what's inside, and it also protects them from getting damaged. The iDesign stackable boxes are great for storing or containing smaller items, and since the box is clear, it just makes it easier to find little items when you need them. And I'm using one to store my KitchenAid hand blender and attachments. I don't use it that often, but it's easy to access when I need it. I'm using the large iDesign bin to store my KitchenAid attachments and my hand blender. This gives you a visual idea of how large this box is and how much you can store inside it. The best thing of all is that both bins are stackable. You've seen me use these iDesign stackable pantry bins for so many things other than pantry items. Well, this time I'm actually using them for storing sugar and flour. And on the very top of my cart, I'm using a utensil holder to house my baking tools, and it's conveniently tucked away. But most importantly, I'm not rummaging through drawers to get anything I need. From time to time, I like to add a little something each year to my baking cart. But if you're trying to get started with creating your baking cart, start collecting your pieces over time. And the best place to get affordable bakeware essentials is HomeGoods. Everything was collected over time, and each piece was under $10. My batter bowl and measuring spoon set was a Christmas gift that I've had for a few years now, and it came with 2 sets of measuring spoons that you can store inside the bowl to keep it all contained. Where is my baking cart? It's in my pantry, and it's tucked away in a tiny corner next to my AC and heating unit. But like I said earlier, you do not need a lot of space because the cart is pretty enough to be left out. I hope you were inspired to get organized for the upcoming holiday festivities, and the key to success is getting organized before the rush. I will provide links to iDesign and the Home Edit organizational products, and I want to thank you all for watching.